Hi everyone, my name is Niccolo. I'm from Italy. The intent behind building this app was to provide a tool for my children to help them with their studies. It makes it easier for them to build mind maps starting from text captured by different sources, mainly images, but also small PDF and audio files. The app is called Dedalo. It is built with Flutter and uses Vertex AI for Firebase under the hood. We can choose different actions. Let's try to pick an image, for instance. This is an image of a picture of my daughter's notebook. It is actually handwritten. So we are giving it to Gemini in order to let it capture text. Okay, go with it. We could edit it, but it's actually fine. And then we start to generate a mind map. Okay, it's actually very nice. We can see what is written inside every child, every node of the mind map. The text has been summarized and reduced to a mind map. We can also modify it. We can modify the title, the notes, whatever. We can change the color of the borders. Let's, for instance, some words here, just whatever. Save it. We can also add a new child. For instance, if we like this map, this mind map, this dialog, we can also take a screenshot, save it as an image inside the device gallery, and also save it inside Firebase. Basically, every user has its own Dedalo archive in Firebase. We can filter it by category, by title. We can reopen it. And that's it.